change your iPhone's Siri voice in 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your iPhone's Siri voice with following these simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your settings application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, just go into the Siri and search and look for it. When you just find it, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, a Siri and search page would open up in which you're going to look for a Siri voice. Once you go into that, you're going to select any accent you like to. For example, I would like to have that Irish accent. Once I tap on Irish, then I would like to go into the gender. I would change the gender to male. Once it will take some time to download. Once it is downloaded, the new Siri voice will operate completely on your iPhone. This is how you do it. This is how you change your iPhone's Siri voice. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.